My thesis deals with my two passions, which are dance and interpretation. Both have communication in common, although while the dance communicates non-verbally, the interpreter does it verbally. I have introduced different aspects of nonverbal communication, analyzing gestures, for example, or facial expressions and body language. Specifically, gestures are constituent elements of nonverbal communication, which takes place through the use of parts of the body, facial expressions, and tone of the voice, and moreover are considered a means of expression and communication. Likewise, body language is very important, since without this it would be impossible to communicate this type of communication. I had to do more with the dance compared to the interpretation. In fact, I discovered it at the age of 4, and I carried it forward until the age of 22, because I was more and more passionate. Despite the sacrifices to face were many, like the feet ruined by the pointed shoes, which I still have, or the afternoon outings with friends lost. I will also talk about how the people who have applied themselves in this discipline have become what we now call sacred masters of dance, and of my humble experience in this field, between the study for the exams to obtain my diplomas and trips made to achieve important results, such as world and national championships. Below, I have analyzed the verbal communication, that is, in this case, that of the interpreter or translator. I stressed the importance of this role and the hard work that each of them makes to complete each translation or interpretation, and the fact that I learned about the latter during adolescence, studying in linguistic high school and learning languages better, understanding the meaning of linguistic mediation a little more, and I hope one day it can become my job. Furthermore, I tried to connect the role of the interpreter with the dance, examining the common aspects, the differences, and the reason why I chose to talk about both within my thesis. And that is because I thought that talking about it would have transmitted the love I feel and I felt toward the dance, and the constant effort that I put into trying to make linguistic mediation an integral part of my life. Both the dancer and the interpreter, for example, listen to someone or something. In the first case, the music, taking the count to be able to follow the rhythm in the correct way. And in the second case, a person in the headphones, or directly hearing his voice. What I have always thought is that it is not casual that they have met in my life.